Sit down. Oh, you better sit down, silly girl. Sit down. Before we strap you in. We're gonna strap you in.
Hey.
I'll tell you.
I would not make it out by myself. I'm so directing out. You look great. Hello.
You're the best character in Beetlejuice. Don't be scared, you guys.
Actually, I can see better with them off like that. They got us shining in your eyes, you know? Come on, Bass.
I don't want my granddaughter's going to be down with three of her friends.
Good evening and welcome aboard the Aquanaut, the only state park boat operated by the dead. Though the crew is deceased, we love keeping our passengers alive. For your safety, please remain seated for the duration of the cruise. In the event of an emergency, our adult life jackets are located in 2 white bins in the front of the boat, as well as the rear. Children's life jackets are located in the 2 black bags above the helm. Place the life jacket over your head, bring the strap around your waist, fasten and tighten, then follow a crew member and walk back to shore. Thanks for cruising with us tonight, and without further ado, it's showtime!
Potential customers, so glad to have y'all here at the Weeki Wachee River, folks. All right, but I got a serious question for you. Are you having trouble with the living? Are you tired of having your home violated? Do you want to get rid of those pesky living critters once and for all? Well, come on down, see me, folks. I'm the afterlife leading bio exorcist. Yes, sir. Come on down here, and I want to tell you, I'll do anything. I'll scare them to death. I'll scare them real bad. The point is, folks, I'm going to do anything to get your business. Hell, I'll even possess myself if I got it. Woo! I got demons running all through me. So come on down and see it for yourself, all right? And if you act now, you're going to get a free demon possession with every exorcism. Now, you can't be that now, can you? All right? And don't forget, bring the little parts. Hell, we got plenty of snakes, lizards, and gators for them to play with. No problem, folks. All right, so say it once, say it twice, 3rd time, and remember, I'll eat anything you want to eat. I'll swallow anything you want to swallow. So come on down. I'll even chew on the dog. All right, folks, you have a good trip up the river, and we'll get back to you in a little bit, all right? I'm going to road these stiffs for a little while, all right? Yeah, that's exactly why I won't do 11 shows a night, folks. Do 10, I just won't do 11 on
Forget all the young men that you used to know. I'm sorry, but they wouldn't see you no more. Forget all the letters that you used to write. I love Juanita, my sweetheart, but that is with a river. Yes, Juanita, my sweetheart, but that is with a river. Yes, sir. Me get children must be about 10. I love you to death do us part. I love Juanita, my sweetheart, but I leave me alone. Yes, Juanita, my sweetheart, but I leave me
I saw it always in Purple Lakes on Buffet. Yeah, the big bullet.
Yeah, more I'll be on it.
Just that's too further.
Shake, 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 Sinora, shake your body line. Shake, 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 Sinora, shake it all the time. Sinora, work your body line. Sinora, work it all the time. You can talk about cha-cha.
All right, folks. How are you? You're not to decide out here. You know what I mean? I need you all night. I need you here with me right now. I'm the goes with the move, baby. This is what you gotta need. This is what I got. You know what I mean? Hey, come on. Come on, where's the Bible here? Oh, come on. You want somebody out of your house? I want somebody out of your house. Come on. You know what I gotta do? What I gotta do is strike a deal with you. Come on. Here you go. Hey, come on back. Hey, where you going? Come on. Come on, you gotta work with me. I'm just trying to cut a deal here. What do you want me to do? You bunch of losers! I'm a professional here! Stupid model!
Senora, she's a sensation, a reason for aviation. And fellas, you got to watch it. Then she wind up, she bottom, she go like a rocket. Okay, I believe you, Johnny. I start skirts a little higher, Johnny. Shake, 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 Sonora.
You know Johnny knows.
Shake your body like work, work, Sonora.
Oh, that's twice.
Working all the time. Dance, 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 Sonora. Dance your body like work, work, Sonora. Working all the time.
That's good.